Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States in Little Hickville, USA, Belfair, Washington. I love my little town, so I say that with sincere love in my heart. It is not knocking my little town. I love where I live. So welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am still working on those paper pumpkin alternatives for October. Yeah, I'm going to have quite a few because, yeah. Yeah, having a trifold is great. I get to cut them all apart, and I'm bringing out some of my favorite stamps, and the next three are some of the best. So October 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 19. I will tell you 19, 20, and 21 are using some angel stamps of mine. They're all Stampin' Up! So let's look at what you could have made with the kit. You could have made 10 cards. They're trifold cards. Usually you get to make 9, 3 of each design, but this time you get to make 10, 2 of each design, this one and this one. On the back, as always, that QR code that will lead you to a video that will show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. This down here is a set of 3 dies that coordinate with October, November, and December's kit. This QR code will show you how to purchase that. This is a visual of everything in the kit. Over here's the stamp set. You almost can't see it. And then all the coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just move on. So you got a cardinal, a little speckly stamp, an evergreen branch. Merry and Christmas are separate. The little salmon eggs or berries. Happy holidays and joyful thoughts to you this holiday season, right? Joyful thoughts to you this season. So what am I bringing into? Well, I am bringing, it's called On Angel Wings. Now, this is from 2004. I did buy this, I believe, at a thrift store, and I just realized that I don't have the complete set. Stinky winky, right? Because I looked it up because I didn't know what it was called. But it is beautiful. It says, "For he shall give angels charge over thee to keep thee in all thy ways." Psalms. And then it says, "Happy holidays." We're not using the sentiments. I don't know where, like, I know I bought it at a thrift store. So, but what really matters is the angel. So this is the image we're using. And the sentiment we're using is from Angels of Peace. And this is from just a couple of years ago. We're using peace on earth, goodwill towards men. So I'm going to set that aside because I'm going to be using that again in video number 20. So let's look at what we have because I have it wrote down. So 18, we're on 19, right? November 8th. Let's get into this. So, do you guys know that blue card base, right? That blue part of the card base, this one, I was struggling with what to use for it. So, I made the angels' dresses out of this. Yes, I had one whole piece to get me 3 angel dresses. So, we have a white envelope. Angels of Peace. Yes, this is it, but that is on Angel's Wings. This is my angel. So I have a card base, white card base, right? To start out with 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. If you're wondering why mine looks a little funny, mine is a little narrower, but I'm giving you the measurements that are for a standard size card base. These were given to me by the wonderful Lori. They're just, mine is just 1/4 of an inch shy. So go with the regular measurements. It makes life easier, but these are handy and dandy and they work. So 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Layer number 1 is 4 1/4 by 5.5. Shaded spruce. I just already glued it right to the white card base. Then we're using again that Unbounded Beauty piece of DSP, right? Because it looks so close to this. Look at that. Can you imagine? It's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So this is going as it is, I think. Was I stamping on here? No, not on this one. There is no stamping on this one. So let's glue this one in place. I mean, this, I really did do most of the prep work. We can actually probably put this entire card together right here on my notebook. So in the last video before this one, video number 18, I was talking how I was going to go take Hank to practice and all that stuff, right? And as soon as I finished that video, Hank runs out here, let's go, Manji, let's go, right? So I get in there and my husband's like, I was just joking with you. I told you I would take him all this week and I'm sticking with it. He's like, I told you that's what I was doing. He's like, go back out there. Go do what you're doing. He's like, and by the way, you got dinner. I'm like, that's why you don't want to make dinner. So this is the arch from the kit that you punched out. We're going to stick this up here. This is going to come down here. It just fills in the space nicely. Right? This is not a hard one. Any angel stamp you have. And what I'll be doing with the angel, this is called paper piecing. We are stamping, fussy cutting, and piecing the pieces back together. This is going to be a totally flat card. So next we have our sentiment strip. Now where is my little... That is not it. Where is my... It's... Oh, here it is. Peace on Earth. We want that in shaded spruce. I'm just going to do it all right here. Why? Because I can. It's right here. Why not? Right? Here we go. Peace on Earth, goodwill toward men. Mankind. Right? Beautiful. Beautiful. We're going to leave that open because we're going to need to put something on the inside. So to make this to where it's not off, we need to bump up. Oh, look at that. We just need a little piece on the bottom here. Make sure it's on the bottom. That will work. Then he calls me up once he gets there. He's like, Greg's son shot a deer. He's like, but they can't find it, so I don't have to go. I'm like, well, I can drive up there. Beautiful. So all I need to do is put glue here and up here. Now here's my little angel. So where sentiment is from Angels of Peace. My angel, let me show you all my pieces of my angel. Don't want to lose any. So first of all, I stamped her on Very Vanilla, right? Then I stamped her. Ooh, we have to finish fussy cutting it out. This part of the right in here. Now you could color her hair. I think I will get out my pretty, I don't know what you want to call them. Okay, there's my dress. Now this was out of that card base with those leaves, if you see them. So I'm going to add glue to her dress. Now, yes, it's going to cover up her arm, but I got that covered because I stamped it again in Very Vanilla. Now, don't do her feet. And I think I cut off her foot. Oh, no, there it is. We don't want glue on that one. So here's her dress. Paper piecing, right? We don't want her foot to be blue, so we need to cut that away. I didn't cut the foot off of the dress down here. And I need to do a little fussy cutting on the Very Vanilla because I see a piece that needs to leave. You'll see it too in a second. See this little bit right there? She's a barefoot angel. You don't know how many times I have used this angel, so many times since I bought her. Just did. Oops. Let's scoot her over. Okay. Now that she's there, look at this. We have the arm and part of the dove. So we're just going to add glue here. Right up like that. And then I need to actually get in here, and we're just going to cut what was back there away. You're never going to know it was meant to be there. There. All right, and then we have wings here, which we need to color her hair first. So I know you can get these. These are metallic art pencils. You can get something very similar to these at Michael's. I know this because I was looking for them. So I want to grab, I need a little scrap so I can do a test. And all you need to do is grab a Q-tip. That looks like pretty hair color for her. And you take a Q-tip and it'll blend it out some. Let me show you. See? So we're going to color her hair a bit. Nice soft swirls. And that's really all we're going to do. Your choice of what you want. You could color her wings if you wanted to with them. I just kind of did the hair. Where'd my wings go? Now the fun part is sticking the wings in place. See that? That's all we're going to do is put our wings on. And I think I just need to lift that up if I can and get those in there. So, Stinky Winky. Trying to figure out how to glue these down because it is vellum. So I'm going to add a little glue in there. And then I'm going to add a little glue on these lines of the wings. I could get the fine tip glue pen because it does work really well. But I'm just not going to go there. I do have some. I'm just not going to get up and go get it. And I think that is going to work. I did the wings in vellum just so it diffused the wings a little bit. There is my angel. Simple, right? It doesn't have to be like a hard card. I think she stands alone in what she is speaking to, and I absolutely love her. Now, I have done these angels on ornaments, on wooden ornaments, and they are on my handmade ornaments for my tree. This year, we are doing all the old ornaments that were purchased as the children grew up. That goes with the Dickens. This was stamped in Memento, and I let it sit and dry. So there you have it. There's my angel. Now, for the inside, that was my dilemma. We were just going to simply do Merry Christmas. I'm just going to bring this here and stamp Merry Christmas. Does not have to be difficult. Peace on earth, goodwill towards men. Merry Christmas. Let's see about the envelope. I think we'll do peace on earth, goodwill towards men. Or I could stamp that wee little angel, but she's going the wrong direction. Maybe I could, let's see. I did her on I have both of these on ornaments. I just did them on paper, colored them up, fussy cut them, Mod Podge them to, really don't want... Oh, we're just going to leave it then, because I really don't want like a branch or anything else. I just want it sweet and simple. So there you have it. That is video number 19. And you can take Wink a Stella. I mean, you could add bling, you could do it, but I'm just going to add Wink a Stella to the dress. I'm not going to go over the vellum now because I don't want to smear the ink. But just like that. And she's sparkly. You could add bling to it, whatever you like. I'm keeping it sweet and simple and just letting it speak for herself. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said, you know, trying to do a few different little things here. So, oh my gosh, I just can't believe how quick that went. Yeah, I got time to make one more video and I'll air them together. Maybe I'll do all 3 angels because I do. The next one will be this angel. And then the third one, let me give you a sneak peek, right? The third one is this angel, and I'm still working on this one. Show you. See, I have to still fussy cut the wings out in vellum to glue to her. And I thought about doing, I might have to redo that. I thought about doing the cloud vellum and putting it on top. So I'm still working on a few things. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I sincerely hope that if you enjoy my videos, which I do hope that you do, that you would consider subscribing if you are not subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you so very much, because you do make this so very much enjoyable, but you help to get my videos out there in the YouTube world. And I appreciate everything you do for me. You would be surprised what a simple like, a comment, and a share can do for my channel. And if it wasn't for you, I would not be doing this. So thank you so very much. And please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.